In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily find unsent photos on Facebook Messenger. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. So let's begin, and first off, open up Messenger app. Sometimes people send us pictures or videos, and then for some reason they may delete them, and let me show you how you can still get access to that images or videos. So first off, hit at that three lines and then hit at gear icon. You will be taken to the settings where you should scroll down until you find photos and media. Just tap on that. And now all you have to do is just enable the option which is called Save Photos and Videos. Just like that. From now on, that will automatically save any photo or video that you get from some user. Unfortunately, it wouldn't restore already unsent photos before this option is enabled. Now you can write down in the comments below if you have any questions about that tutorial, and also I recommend you to check out my Facebook Messenger tutorials playlist, which you can easily find in the description. Hit the like button if you liked that video, and see you in the next one.